Hello students, welcome to Birla International School. You are watching your school channel Birla Kids. This is workbook of class 2nd for mathematics, and today we are going to solve the questions related to division. Here you can see the first question is given, divide the following. We have to divide 8 by 2. So in the table of 2, 8 comes 4 times. So here we will write 4. So 2 4s are 8. Now on subtracting 8 minus 8 you will get 0. The question completed. In this question 20 divided by 4. So in the table of 4 20 comes 5 times. So 4 5s are 20. On subtracting you will get 0. In this question table of 5 and 15 comes 3 times. So 5 3s are 15. On subtracting you will get 0. In this question 6 divided by 3. So on the in the table of 3 you will get 2 times 6. On subtracting 6 from 6 you will get 0. So the first question completed. See the next question number 2nd. Divide and find the quotient. We have to divide and to find the quotient. So here in this question, this one is called dividend, this is divisor, this one is quotient, and this is remainder. So we have to find the quotient. It means this value will be our answer. So on dividing by 4, first we will divide 8 by 4. So in the table of 4, 4 2s are 8. On subtracting you will get 0. Now you have to write down next digit downward, 4. In the table of 4, 4 comes 1 time. Now on subtracting you will get 0. So answer is 21. In this question, in the table of 6, 3 doesn't come. So we have to take 36. So in the table of 6, 6 times 36. On subtracting you will get 0. So the quotient is 6. In this question we have to divide 93 by 3. So in the table of 3, 9 comes 3 times. So 3 3s are 9. On subtracting you will get 0. Now you have to write down this downward. In the table of 3, 3 comes 1 time. So 3. On subtracting you will get 0. In this question, in the table of 8, 6 doesn't come. So we will take 64. So 8 8s are 64. On subtracting you will get 0. So the quotient is 8. Continue to see the next question. Again we have to divide 18 by 3. So in the table of 3, 18 comes 6 times. So we have to write 6 here. 3 6 are 18. On subtracting you will get 0. Now we have to divide 49 by 7. So in the table of 7, 49 comes 7 times. 7 7s are 49. On subtracting you will get 0. In the table of 8, 24 3 times. So 8 3s are 24. On subtracting you will get 0. And in the table of 4, 20 comes 5 times. So 4 5s are 20. On subtracting you will get 0. Continue next question. In the table of 5, 20 comes 4 times. So 20. On subtracting you will get 0. In the table of 7, 14 comes 2 times. 7 2s are 14. On subtracting you will get 0. In the table of 6, 60 comes 10 times. So we have to write 60. On subtracting you will get 0. In the table of 2, 14 comes 7 times. So 14. On subtracting you will get 0. Continue next question number 2nd is given, that divide and find the quotient. So same type of question is again repeating. We have to divide 252 by 6. So in the table of 6, first we will take the 2 number 25. So as you all know that 6 4s are 24. 25 doesn't come. So less than 25 number will be 24. 6 4s are 24. On subtracting you will get 1. Now you have to write down 2 here. Now in the table of 6, 12 comes 2 times. And now 12 minus 12, 0. In this question, on dividing by 6, we will take 2 digit. So 6 7s are 42. And on subtracting you will get 2. Now we have to write down 4 here. In the table of 6, 24 comes 4 times. So 6 4s are 24. On subtracting you will get 0. In this question, divide by 6. So first of all 6 1s are 6. On subtracting you will get 2. Now you have to write down 5 here. 6 4s are 24. On subtracting you will get 1. Now we have to write down 8 here. In the table of 6, 18 comes 3 times. So 6 3s are 18. On subtracting you will get 0. In this question, 14 divided by 5. So 5 2s are 10. On subtracting you will get 4. Now write down 0 here. In the table of 5, 40 comes 8 times. So 5 8s are 40. On subtracting you will get 0. Continue next question. In the table of 4, 4 1s are 4. On subtracting you will get 1. Now you have to write down 8 here. In the table of 4, 4 4s are 16. On subtracting you will get 2. Now we have to write down 4 here. In the table of 4, 24 comes 6 times. So write down 24. On subtracting you will get 0. In this question, we have to divide 8 by 7. So 7 1s are 7. On subtracting you will get 1. Now write down 9 here. In the table of 7, 7 2s are 14. On subtracting you will get 5. Okay students. Now we have to write down 6 here. In the table of 7, 7 8s are 56. And on subtracting you will get 0. So on dividing this number by 4, 4 1s are 4. 4 1s are 4. On subtracting 7 minus 4 you will get 3. Now you have to write down 9 here. Now in the table of 4, 4 9s are 36. On subtracting you will get 3. Now write down 2 here. In the table of 4, 4 8s are 32. On subtracting you will get 0. And now the last question. In the table of 5, 5 1s are 5. On subtracting you will get 2. Now write down 2 here. In the table of 5, 4 5s are 20. On subtracting you will get 2. Now write down this 5 here. In the table of 5, 5 5s are 25. On subtracting you will get 0. Okay students. So your worksheets 22nd completed. Now you have to write down the solution in your worksheet. And we will see you again with the solution of next worksheet in the next video. Till then, have a good day.